international community updating their app, now adding Biafra flag in anywhere they find Igbo language. Things are happening. I say right, congratulations, because a lot of things are going on right now. Before, it's not like that. They will put an Igbo or put Igbo cap, but now they updating their cap and now adding Biafra flag in all Igbo language. I'm going to show you the video. My people, as e be like this, so they say gentle, everybody they ask things, you don't come outside, can't talk one or two things. So how they get the information? I say Donald Trump must support the struggle of Biafra. I'm going to bring the videos up for you to watch. Please try to share these videos so that other people will see they get the information and they follow up as it they happen. This one is very big news, but many people will not understand it. When you be seeing Biafra flag in all platforms, international platforms, they are adding Biafra flag. This is very good for Biafran people. So please share the video. People, e get wetin I find out today for Italian here. I wan go study this their license, driving license. So when I was given this option, I said let me check in English to understand more better what they are trying to tell me here. Then something happened. When I click translate, which is here. When I click translate, which is here. So as I click here now, as I click this translate, it thing give me this this English language, abi. Okay, now I want to change the language. Let me see. Okay, now let me go for English. Be watching, see what I see, just the watch. This is English language, abi. Here, this is English. Okay, then I don't know wetin carry me go down. Go down, 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 down. I say, I go down. After they go down, I can't see Hausa. I say Hausa. Is it flag where they put for Hausa people? I can't say hey, and they go put Arabic, join them. As I don't see Hausa, let me go down. Whether I go see other language again, just the watch, which I see. Just the watch. Then I scroll down again. When I reach for this in Nigeria, I see Yoruba. I see Yoruba. You see flag where they put for Yoruba? Green, white, green. Alright, let's go and find Igbo. May you see wetin dey happen. May you see, just a watch. Just a watch, just a watch. See Igbo here. See am. Which flag they see for Igbo? No be Biafra flag. This is Italian application. Official Italian driving license application. See the flag where they put for you. They no put any other thing but Biafran flag for the Igbo people. Hausa flag for the Hausa symbol. This is, I think, this is one of the symbol there for money. For Hausa symbol, now they put for Yoruba. So now me say Yoruba people now again Nigeria since now they tell us. No wonder, no wonder. My people, I beg you, may you follow me see this one. This one is Italian official driving license app. The app where they recognize for the whole Italy. Now there I find this thing. So that means na Yoruba people get green one, now then get Nigeria. No wonder Tulumbu tell us say million come. No wonder Tulumbu tell us say this Nigeria na million come. So I see am. I say make I show you now. When I tell you people that Biafra is alive, many people in the politics know this thing that I'm telling you. Those politicians, they know that Biafra is real. You see very soon, You see very soon, very very soon. Many people go run come out because as Biafra is here, they go run come out. Don't they watch? My people, The information what would they get right now? They say gentle. One are the assassins. Where is gentle? They say the guy don't come outside. They'll come tell Donald Trump, say make him help them in this fight. Say he need Biafra today, tomorrow. No be smart, you know. And as you people know that Donald Trump don't talk say he's coming back to give right back to the people. I believe say Biafra go follow for the people when go give the right. Now man, Nigeria government first send message. Man, whenever sit down for office, so they don't send message. Go to tell and say making this guys Biafra people. Oh, my people, it don't read. Now play the video of Gentle waiting talk before we come back. Continue.
On the ground, and we are the men on the ground, and we are standing firmly to say no to this zoological country, to say no to Buhari stroke Tinubu that have been shedding the blood of the innocent souls, innocent people in Biafra territory. And we are standing firm to defend the mother's land called Biafra. And we are not a Nigeria, we are a Biafrans, and we can never be a Nigeria. So that is why I came up today, I am coming up today to let the world know and understand that we are still standing gidigam, that we can never retreat nor surrender.
Copy.
For what that belongs to us. We can never try such. No, it's impossible. It can never be done. This is AKA Gentle speaking. Please, the Honorable, His Excellency, we are honoring you and we are thanking Chukwu Okike Abiama. We are praising the Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama, the God himself, that who have recalled you back to the seat. We say, may the honor, glory, and thanks be unto God that have bring you back to the seat. Please, sir, we are pleading for on the behalf of Biafran people, Biafran innocent souls, Biafran innocent blood, that Nigeria, Shetima, Tinubu, and the rest of them that have been shedding in Biafra land. And DOS can never see something good in life. These are the people that Nnamdi Kanu started this struggle with. And we were together with them. Later on, we see that they want to betray this struggle. We say no to them. We can never betray this struggle. We can never betray this struggle. There they came up and said, since we are refusing what they are telling us to do, that there's no problem, that we don't want to follow them to so Nnamdi Kanu, that we don't want to join them to so Nnamdi Kanu. We said no, we can never. That was where the problem of DOS came up with us. Before Chukwu Kabiama now provides someone like Simon Ekpan Njoko. We give thanks to Simon Ekpan Njoko. We honored Simon Ekpan Njoko. We really appreciate his work. We really appreciate.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. A lot of question is going out there. What will be the stand of Donald Trump in this struggle? What will be the stand of Donald Trump? Because remember 3 years ago where people come outside to support Donald Trump and they also fly Biafra flag. They buy more than 20 people by Nigerian soldiers. Okay, now what will be the, let me tell you people, do not expect much from Donald Trump. That is the truth. Don't expect much from Donald Trump. So expect much from what you people can do for your own self. Freedom is not what giving, freedom is taking. So that is the reality there. Nigeria will not, the cabals, the people who are getting things in Nigeria don't want to lose that position. And the United States and the United Nations who are enjoying Nigeria wealth also don't want to risk their own people, because when they stop getting what they are getting, the economy, it may affect the economy. Their citizens as well will suffer. So they don't want that to happen. That is one thing we have to have in our back mind. So it's only be a deal. Biafra must have a deal with Donald Trump. You understand? Okay, if he help us, we're gonna do this for you, or we're gonna do that. Then it will be signed and deal before they will not, because they don't want to help people that will turn to become lion to them tomorrow. So this is the truth. For the people who are asking me the position of Donald Trump, I think this is what will happen. So if Biafrans can approach him well, there will be a good result. But if they do not and keep on ranting, or we keep on saying or making comments on social media, I don't think it's going to be Desmond Trump is going to do anything about it. Okay, my people, please drop your own opinion and share the video as it is hot.